Hello and welcome once more to a Now We Are Talking tutorial, and today we're going to explore a new feature that's just been added at the time of this video, and it's effectively for mechanical and robot types. In fact, it's something that we used in a YouTube series for Doctor Who last year, featuring the Daleks, where when they speak they're like little lights where they're at the side of their heads lights up. Well, this is implementing the same technology, so this is that kind of effect. Now we've got our character. Here he is. Let's just run him and see what he's like. He looks great. Okay. I've put this little capsule up here in the center of his head at the front as an indicator for the technique we're going to use. So let's have a look how it's set up. Here's the robot, and here's his animation rig: spine, neck, head, top end, and we've got the Now We're Talking prefab zeroed out on that particular bone. And what we've done is we've checked the root is fine, so that's okay. We've maneuvered the lips pivot into position so that it's here on the front of his the surface of his face, so it's almost like it is a mouthpiece. And you can see here we've got lip sphere, lips capsule and lips cube. These are the three different shapes that we use to generate the mouth. Cube is what we're going to use on this chap today. Let's just see him working here. So you can see what I've done is I've set him to cube, and it's just sat there looking at us now, and it's waiting for a voice clip. So we've recorded a very simple robotic voice clip. I'll just grab Now We're Talking, and I'm just going to padlock it so that I can add things and move things around in the actual prefab itself. Here's the voice file, so let's pop that into the Now We're Talking clips, and that adds to this list. This list is the list of speeches or the voice clips which are going to play when we run and turn on. Oh, actually I can't do that from here, so I'll have to just do it like that. Let's just do it like that for now. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll just set the camera in a position where we can play the voice, and here we go. We'll see what it looks like. This is with mouth shape 3.
Hello, adventurer. I am programmed to prevent you from moving forward at this point. You must provide...
Let me just turn the voice right down so we can hear. This looks good, but actually it's a robot, so I wanted to do something a little bit more science fiction-y. So we pop in this square mouth, and we can just play around with the settings here. We'll have to turn off allow mouth data presets, because when you turn this on and move this backwards and forwards, you can see all the data loads for each of the mouth shapes. We're going to play with and change the default data for this mouth shape, because we want to change it and see what we can do with it, see how we can make it work better for our particular... Ooh, there he's going a bit lizardy. That's quite big actually, isn't it? Let's reduce it down a tad. Let's reduce that down so we can get a bit more speed in it. There we go. Oh, it's getting a bit large, but we can just reduce that down there. Now that's great. We'll just capture that by copying the component, and we'll just feed that straight back in. And of course we'll turn off allow mouth data presets, because that loads data from the script which we don't want to change. We want these settings. These are the ones we've just been looking at. Now, this is the new feature that we're going to show you now. At the bottom of the prefab script, we've now got a material 1, material 2, flash yes, flash range, so this is the sensitivity of it, and then the objects to flash, and the objects is a list. So what we can do is we can put the flashing capsule into that list there, and then we need to change the materials here so that we can have two different flashing materials. So we'll look, and I've actually got a lights red and a lights green. These are emitting materials. So let's have a look at how that looks now with that emission. Now we'll just turn the volume back up. Oh, it's already back up. That's okay. Good. All right, here we go.
Hello, adventurer. I am programmed to prevent you from moving forward at this point.
Right.
You must provide me.
Obviously didn't have it set up right. Oh, flashing yes has to be on. There we go. That's a good one to get wrong, isn't it? So obviously once we start the talking,
hello, adventurer.
You can see
I am programmed to prevent you from moving forward at this point. You must provide me with the answer to a puzzle.
That's great.
Once I have attained.
Now, I thought that was really good, but then I thought, well, wait a minute. We can have more than one object in this list, and we have a ellipse cube which we're using. Let's pop that in, and let's change the colour of his mouth at the same time. And all of a sudden, we get this really funky looking
hello, adventurer.
Robot from
I
science
am
fiction.
programmed to prevent you from moving forward at this point. You must provide me with the answer to a puzzle.
And that
once I have attained the answer,
that. You just add
and
in
it is correct,
the object
I
you want to
shall
flash
let you
and the
pass.
two materials.
Hello, adventurer. I am programmed to prevent you from moving forward.
And there we go. That's how you get Now We're Talking into the future. So I hope you enjoyed that. It's short and sweet, but very effective. I hope you agree. And for those who aren't really aware, I'm using URP here, and I've actually got post-processing ticked on the camera object. So that's how that's all set up, and we've added a volume into the 3D map, and we've put in a threshold and an intensity on the bloom to make it look
this
so
point,
nice.
You must provide me with the answer to a puzzle.
Ah, excellent. Well, hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time on Now We're Talking Tutorials. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to join us on our Discord channel, or have a browse through some of the other tutorials on the YouTube channel, please feel free to do so. Maybe subscribe and ring that bell so that when we launch a new tutorial you'll get notified. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.